Want to know how to remove a green screen in Photopea? I'll show you the quick way, even when the green has different shades. First, open your web browser and go to photopea.com. Once Photopea loads, click File in the top left corner. Then click Open and choose your green screen image. Once your image appears, look at the Layers panel on the right and make sure your image layer is selected. Now move to the top menu and click Select. From the menu, click Color Range. Here's the important part. Inside the Color Range window, click the green area of your image. Try to click a middle shade of green, not the darkest or brightest part. Now look at the fuzziness setting. Increase or decrease fuzziness until most of the green background is selected without removing parts of your subject. When you're happy with the selection, click OK. You should now see the green background selected. Before deleting it, check your subject carefully. If everything looks good, press Delete on your keyboard. And just like that, the green background is removed. If you still see a little green around the edges, use the lasso tool on the left side, select the unwanted area, and press Delete. That's it. Your subject is now ready to place on a different background. If you want to open Photopea quickly, I've left the link in the description. If this helped you remove your green screen without hunting through complicated tools, like the video and subscribe for more quick editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.